never gonna be the same. Click, click, bang, bang, and your heart starts beating like the pouring rain. Click, click, bang, bang, and the blood says goodbye to the veins. Click, click, bang, bang, and you're never gonna see me again.
Everybody wants to save you.
Yes, I know, and I sure do. Thank you.
Okay, our processor's back here for repairs. We got to fix up the valve from last year. Got a stuck spool in there for bring the saw bar back or whatever the hell the problem was. Looks like we got to make a couple new feet for down there. Seems like we ripped the fenders off this year. I think we're going to put the guard back on here. I don't know what else he needs done. It's supposed to have a list. Looks like most of our leak repairs held. Don't seem to have any massive leaks anywhere. It's a good sign. Looks like that fuel tank might be leaking. Oh no, we just overfilled it, so it's no problem. We do have an exhaust to put on it. Not quite the right exhaust. Of course, we're going to have to fix that so that don't look like that. Maybe come out of here. I'd hate to have somebody think I did that. Yeah, no. This all looks dry still. He's complaining about his conveyor not working right and the sawdust blower not working right, but I think that's partly the aluminum block being screwed up. This we should fix. This is the shut-off valve for when the saw bar's up so you can't advance the carriage in, which you can advance the carriage in. Looks like we may have a leak up there or something brewing there. That looks a little wet. These all seem to be holding up good. Looks like this one may be leaking just a touch. Nothing to worry about, I guess. Okay, we're going to start off on this program. Got to put a new exhaust on there. It's all cobbled up. Got a glass pack on there. It looks like it come off with something else. Of course, the stuff we got looks like it's going to be too big. Going to put a muffler, that muffler on there. And then we got to fix up this air cleaner mount so we don't get blamed for doing that. So let's get it apart, see what we got. Got the exhaust all on there. Kind of had to cobble this up here a little bit. But it is what it is. Sounds a lot quieter. Put a rain cap on there. Okay, here we got the air cleaner bracket we removed, made out of plywood pieces. Pretty resourceful, using what you have on hand. We're going to do something better than that. I don't want somebody thinking I did this. Okay, here's our little bracket. Got a little extra meat on the tops to support the little plastic housing it's made out of. Hopefully that'll make it last a little longer. These are guys who are extra tough on shit, so if they could break an air cleaner off, these guys could do it. We tried to do the tab and slot thing, but our slot's not wide enough. We can't seem to get it to cut. So we may have to put some gussets in there, but we'll weld it up and see how stiff it is. Okay, there's the nesting and program for the air cleaner bracket. Gonna burn that out of 10 gauge. We'll start back there in that corner where we've cut some shit out already.
Well, I'm not sure that I want to. Click, click, bang, bang, and it all goes away. Nothing left but a memory of a love that used to be. And my heart's a tombstone, mark the rest of another unknown. No name, just a final saying, written in the rock. Click, click, bang, bang.
Everybody wants to save
got a bracket made up for the air cleaner here. Air cleaner mounted up there. There's a couple more pieces we got to make here. These are little feet to set the wood processor up on, and of course the tubes wore through there over time. But it's pretty thin stuff, maybe 10 gauge. So we're going to make new ones out of 1/4 inch. We already got a handle we're going to steal from upholstery guys' hydraulic power unit to move them up and down. So we'll burn that out too. Okay, these are going to be the feet for the jack stands. Going to cut them out of 1/4 inch, and then we'll just put them into press and bend a little tip up on them so they look cooler, I guess.
And you're never gonna be the same. Click, click, bang, bang. And you're never gonna be the same. Click, click, bang, bang. Click, click, bang, bang. Click, click, bang, bang. Click, click, bang, bang.
Everybody wants to save you.
Yes, I know, and I sure do thank you.
Why can't you look like you ought to?
Well, I'm not sure that I want to.
Okay, there's our foot pads, and here's going to be the new ones. Made them out of 1/4 inch instead of 10 gauge. And then this is the handle. I'm going to put this on there for our handle. Weld that on there, and then there's a 2x2 tube that gets welded on there. Okay, we got our stands all fabricated up. Just got to put them back on. They're not welded together. The feet ain't on there. You got to put the post in there first, then weld the foot on there. We tried to jack it up high enough to get the post out of there, but we were failing at that and just did it the hard way, or I guess the easy way. I gotta do it the hard way because I can't, not that good to do it the easy way. Got the blower working. Had a bad coil. We just wired over onto the other coil. There's 2 coils on each valve. The blower went backwards. I don't know if because we wired off on the other coil, but we switched the hoses around and that seemed to fix that. So, I need a list from Hal, see what he needs done. Took the forklift out in the grass. I knew better than to do this. I learned a long time ago, forklift won't go in the grass. I thought this time would be different. And it wasn't. Forklift won't go in the grass. Gotta wait for upholstery guy to come down and pull me out sometime. Oh well. But being an expert tow motor operator from a young age, getting a lot of them stuck, having to go get your daddy to tell you we got the forklift stuck again, I was able to free the forklift and get it over on the high ground with no assistance. She's in there pretty good. It's up to my ankle. Had to do super burnout here. But we're in good shape now. Back on hard ground.
Click, click, bang, bang, and you're never gonna be the same. Click, click, bang, bang, and your heart starts beating like the pouring rain. Click, click, bang, bang, and the blood says goodbye to the veins. Click, click, bang, bang, and you're never gonna see me again.